I got the rough shape that I want right now. I think what I'll do next is I'm going to go ahead and grind it down, clean it up a little bit before I wrap this. I want this clean in here especially. And then I'll go ahead and do the wrap, and then we'll put the finishing touches on it, I think. Alrighty, so I spent some time with the grinder. And I put basically the shape I want into the blade, cleaned everything up, got the hammer end or the spike end, I think, where I want it. At least for a first pass on cleanup. So I kind of wanted to get all that work done. I did sand this rod a little bit. It's still, I want the forging lines in there, but I don't need it to be quite so rough. So I clean that up. Things are looking pretty good here. I think at this point I'm going to go ahead, and I've decided I'm going to wrap this way, from this side over. I'm hoping that'll fit the hand well. So we'll do the final wrapping here. It's getting pretty damn close. Alright, here goes nothing. Here goes nothing. Oh yeah, I don't want that top. I might have to get this thing on a 45. I got to get that first bend done without that top bend, and I think I need to do that on the forge. Alright, figure it out. Alright, I think I got this figured out. Since I want that first bend tight, I think I need to do it while it's in the vise here. I want to get up there before it cools down. I think I need to persuade her to do that. I like it. So that's the start of it. And I don't mind going a little slow here, but I think I can go ahead and start wrapping from there. Here we go. There we go. There we go. Right, the top is turning. I don't want that to turn, so we got to straighten that back out. Well, I wish the sucker was a little bit longer, but I think it'll be alright. Get another half a turn. Adjust this now with this wheel. This is coming up a little too fast. That's okay, I can deal with that. Just get it down where I want it. And straighten this. Said it before, I don't know what I'm doing, but I surely am doing it. Surely am doing it. It's just taking a minute, that's all. It's just taking a minute. By the time I get everything situated, the stuff's cooled down too much. Seems to be a problem. Got half a wrap left. Like it. These little 5 apart. it, I like it, I like it. Get this a little farther apart. Get my tang straightened back out. It's not bad. And there you have it, I think. Yeah, it doesn't look perfect, does it? Alright, we're going to straighten this out a little bit. Not going too bad right there. That don't look too bad. I kind of like it. Kind of like it. We'll get it cleaned up and we'll see what I think. Alright, I just took a wire brush to it just to clean it up a little bit. It don't look too bad. Kind of like it. It's certainly different. I've never seen anybody do it, so I think it's a one of a kind. The way I wrapped it, it actually fits very well in your hand. It's a strong grip on your hand like that. It's not bad at all. Your fingers can lace inside those wrappings, so that's cool. So I'm going to go ahead and get the sander out, and I'm going to put my my final bevel on it, clean it up a little bit, get it ready for heat treating before my forge goes out totally. So getting very, very close. Alright, so we put some time on the sander. Just kind of got close to the edge, enough so it's not going to warp when I heat treat it. Kind of cleaned up the pommel here a little bit. So we got the final cleaning to do, but I need to now heat treat this and get my final edge on and get it on the polisher. Alright, we're just about there again. Let's see, we are there. Here we go. Lock that sucker in. There you have it. One hardened knife. Get a file out and we'll see how it sounds. Alright. Just to give a sound check. It's pretty damn hard. Looks pretty good to me. I got it cleaned up after hardening it. Just clean the blade off so you can see what's going on with tempering. I'm going to temper with a propane torch. Try to get a variable temper out of that. Glasses to make that happen. Again, you're looking for a darker color on the bottom and a nice golden working its way up to the top. I like to hold it like this so the heat doesn't rise. I want to get that spine heated up. I'm starting to get some color now. Yep. I got some purple here on the top. It's working its way down. I don't want to get too close to the point because I want that golden to stay there. There we go. There we go. Just about the way I want it. Let's let that lock in with some oil. One more coat of oil. So I'm nice, I don't know if you can see it there, but nice and blue here, golden on the edges. So that's not too bad at all. Kind of like it. Alrighty, clean it up, final cleanup. Alrighty, there it is. This was a heck of a lot, it took a heck of a lot longer than I thought it would, but I'm not sure how much I like the knife. It sure does feel good. It's a nice hefty blade, put a good polish on it, finish the pommel. It used to be the head of the railroad spike. I like it when they're finished like that. It looks nice. I like it. I think it's a neat knife. I don't know of anybody who's done this, so it's definitely one of a kind. You got it sharpened up. You got to do the old paper test, right, for YouTube, just to make sure that everything's working well. So it's got a pretty good edge on it. I like it. There it is.